In this video, I am going to teach you how to convert an image into an AutoCAD drawing file. If you have a scanned sketch or image and want to turn it into a usable CAD file, this method will help. It's fast, simple, and doesn't require advanced software skills. Let's get started. First, there is no direct converter in AutoCAD, so go to Google and search JPEG to CAD. This will give you a list of websites that can convert your image. Then, you can choose any platform you prefer, such as Scan2CAD, AnyConv, or Convertio. Make sure the site supports output in DWG or DXF format. Next, click Choose Files and upload the image you want to convert. It may be a JPEG, PNG, or other supported format. After that, click the Convert button to begin the conversion process. This may take a few seconds depending on your file size. Finally, just wait for the process to finish, then click the Download button to get your AutoCAD drawing file. Make sure to save it to a folder you can easily access in AutoCAD. And that's how you convert an image into an AutoCAD drawing file. If you found this useful, like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more step-by-step tech guides.
See you next time!